Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a eye makeup tutorial, and it is going to be my second or third, I can't actually remember. I think it's only my second in the color series that I've created on my channel. Today's color is green. So I've got my MAC eyeshadows here. These are all of my colourful eyeshadows. I'm going to be using this row here, obviously, and maybe the yellow if I decide I want to use the yellow. And then I also have my Huda Beauty Smokies for like the browns. Got the Gemstones from Huda Beauty and the Electric from Huda Beauty. I am going to zoom you guys in and we are going to do the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to first prime my eyes with my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. I don't have any eyeshadow to help me set it, but I did bring over the Bare Minerals Well Rested powder, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that, dust a little bit of that on my eyes, just the tiniest bit. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions, and I'm going to use this brown here on a big fluffy blending brush. And I'm just blending it in circular motions from the outer corner all the way into the inner corner. And I have to maintain my brows. Well, these brows need doing. Now I'm going to go in with this brown here, and I'm just going in back and forth motions with the same brush as before. Now I'm going to go in with MAC's Canary Yellow, and I'm just grabbing a smaller blending brush, and I'm just applying this vertically into the crease in circular motions. I'm just grabbing the bigger blending brush and just blending that out. Now I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is Kelly. And I'm just applying that on this with the same brush in the crease again, this time in horizontal back and forth motions. And we're just going from the right of like the outer corner right into the inner corner. Now I'm going to go in with MAC's eyeshadow in Steamy, and I'm just patting this eyeshadow on the inner half of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions, and I'm going to use the green, and I'm just patting this on the outer half of the eye. Like really pressing it, because these eyeshadows tend to have fallout. Now I'm going to go back in with Kelly on the same brush that we did before, and we're just blending out the crease. And now with the exact same brush, exact same eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply this on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Electrics palette, and I'm going to use the yellow, and this is going in the crease with a large blending brush. And with the same brush, same colour, I'm applying this on my lower lash line. Now for an inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the Gemstone Obsessions from Huda Beauty. I'm going to use this shade up here. It's a bit pink, it's like holographic, so let's see how this goes. And I also actually might apply the exact same colour with my finger again, right in the centre of the eyelids. Just for a little bit more depth. Now for mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And then now to do my lips, I'm going to be just applying a nude lipstick. I'm using the MAC lip liner in Soar and the MAC lipstick in Crème Cup. It's like a basic nude. Just rubbing my lips together. And that is it for my green eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see any more coloured makeup tutorials, then just leave this video a like and I will do those for you guys. I actually would like to do them, but if you guys don't want to see them, then I don't know, I'll do something else. But leave me in the comments what videos you guys like to see. I have planned out a few videos for the year, but I am thinking about changing it up a little bit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see any more of these videos, give it a thumbs up as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys. Bye.